Hi, this is Dr. Rob Bates, Bates Chiropractic. Now, what should you expect on your first visit here? Now, first of all, I'd like to sit down with you and do a consultation history. I want to know specifically where your healthcare challenges are and your goals are. Now, depending on your goals, I'll do a 3-step physical examination. First, I'm going to do a postural study because posture is the window to your spine. Next, I want to lie down and do a physical palpation study of each individual spinal joint. I want to know which one of those spinal joints are misaligned, which ones aren't. Because spinal misalignments create an imbalanced body, and the imbalanced body creates your problem. So next, what we'd like to do is a digital motion x-ray. Now, digital motion x-ray allows us to know specifically what's working right, what's not. And once we get that information, then I'd like to adjust those spinal misalignments back into alignment. Because once it's back into alignment, your body will start balancing again. And if you have a balanced body, it functions optimal. And if it's functioning optimal, you're going to take care of your problem. And then we get the results that you want. And really, that's what we're here for, is we're all about results.